Brand new construction, luxury finishes, and seller financing. This is not your average Cape Coral home. Welcome to your dream home here in Northwest Cape Coral, where modern design and everyday comfort come together in this stunning new build. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is thoughtfully crafted with upscale features throughout. From the soaring 9-foot ceilings and oversized 48 by 24-inch tile to impact-resistant windows and custom zebra blinds and shaker-style doors. And here's what makes this opportunity even more exciting. Seller financing is available, making it easier for the right buyer to step into home ownership. So whether you're self-employed, rebuilding credit, or simply want to avoid the red tape of traditional mortgages, this could be a perfect fit for you. Instead of throwing money away on rent, you can start building equity today, improve your financial situation over time, and own a home in one of the fastest growing areas of Cape Coral. It's more than just move-in ready, it's a rare opportunity to own brand new luxury with flexible financing in a prime location. Welcome aboard, I'm Cessna, your favorite Cape Coral realtor, and lately I've been having a lot of conversations with buyers, sellers, and investors looking to make their move here in Cape Coral. And I'd love to help you too. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, relocating, or retiring here in Cape Coral, or if you'd like more information about this home, don't miss out. Schedule a free consultation with me today. You can call, text, or click the link in the description below to get started. Stick around because I'm about to take you on a tour and show you why this brand new home could be your perfect escape. There you have it, modern luxury, prime location, and seller financing, all wrapped into one incredible opportunity here in Cape Coral. So whether you're relocating, investing, or simply looking for a fresh start, this brand new home offers the lifestyle and flexibility you've been searching for. I'm Cessna, and if this home feels like the right fit for you, let's talk. All my contact information is below. Click the link below to book a strategy call. I'd love to answer your questions, walk you through the details, or even schedule a private tour. Don't miss your chance to own something truly special.